Hi, my name's Glenn. Welcome back to our Delta Scientific YouTube channel. Today I'd like to talk about a common question on the MP5000. Inside this hydraulic power unit, the H8050, we have a self-contained pumping system, but it also has its own onboard battery charger. We like to make sure before you call us about it's not working that you're plugged into shore power and that you have a red indicator on the charger to make sure that you have adequate voltage to charge the batteries. Inside here, there's a meter that shows the rate of charge. If your battery charger is not working, you can check the fuse, you can check the connection at the power inlet, and you can also check to make sure that the circuit breaker is not tripped.
Drop a comment below with the question for our master tech or engineer, and maybe we'll feature it in an upcoming video. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.